I didn't feel like I was there to work. I felt like I was there to kind of hang out and socialize.
This former employee, whose identity we have agreed to protect for fear of repercussions, says working at the Vaccine Injury Support Program felt like high school.
There was definitely no shortage of phones out, watching YouTube. The slushy machine was cool. Ping pong was definitely a regular thing.
The federal government hired a company called Oxaro to run the program and paid them $50.6 million. Global News spoke with more than a dozen current and former Oxaro employees, whose comments included working there was a joke, with drinking Fridays, inexperienced, underpaid staff who weren't properly trained.
I don't think anyone actually understood the severity or the relevance of the program that was being contracted to the firm.
The Vaccine Injury Support Program, or VISP, was created to provide financial support to people who are seriously and permanently injured by vaccines. People like Ross Whiteman.
They're just doing a piss poor job of supporting the vulnerable.
A former commercial pilot and realtor, Ross was diagnosed with Guillain-Barré syndrome after receiving his COVID vaccine, a rare but recognized side effect. His claim was among the first to be approved by VISP. And yet 4 years later, every day is a fight against his body and the program.
At the moment, I'm probably out about $25,000.
In its policy for VISP, the Public Health Agency of Canada said the injured will have fair and timely support. But Ross Whiteman waited nearly a year and a half while unable to work for a full injury payout. 3 more months for income replacement, and still regularly battles the program for his medical expenses.
It could take a month, it could take 12 months.
Some former workers say there was no sense of urgency.
There was an amount of work you were expected to finish.
Every day.
And you weren't hitting those targets.
No, probably well below.
What was lost in the program were the people.
They were merely names on paper, nothing more than that.
Today, Ross Whiteman is on his 7th case manager. He's lost his health, his savings, and perhaps worst of all, he's lost hope.
We're such a small group of people, I just feel like it's on to the next one.
In a statement, Oxaro said this is a new program, and it aims to provide a process that ensures all cases are treated fairly and with the same care, respect, and due diligence. It says its timelines depend on each case's nature and complexity. Carolyn Jarvis, Global News.